Hello, this is Shivam Kumar. Now we are going to start second chapter of class 10th from mathematics, that is polynomial. So let us now discuss firstly that what is polynomial. The word polynomial is made from two words. The first one is poly and the second one is nomials. Here poly represents many. This means poly represents many and nomials means term. That means we can say that an expression having many terms is termed as polynomials. An expression in the form of a naught plus a1 x1 plus a2 x2 dot 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 an xn is said to be a polynomial where an not equal to 0 is a polynomial in x of degree n. For example, 2x plus 5. Here we see here is two terms 2x and 5, which is separated by the positive sign. Let us take another example. Say x plus 1 upon x. Here x plus 1 upon x is not a polynomial, as when we simplified it becomes x square plus x to the power minus 1. So when any expression having a negative or a fractional power, it can't say to be a polynomial. So we can write another definition of polynomial: an expression having non-negative integral power. An expression having non-negative integral power. Here integral means complete. Integral means complete. Like 1, 2, 3. That is, we can say positive integer. So now we are going to read about the classification of polynomial. So firstly, polynomial is classified on two bases. The first one is on the basis of degree, and the another one is on the basis of number of terms. On the basis of number of terms. So now let us discuss about the one by one. So firstly, we are discussing about on the basis of degree. So what is degree? When we talk about any expression or any term, the maximum power of any expression is termed as its degree. That means we can say that maximum power is degree. Maximum power is degree. For example, 2x square plus 3x. Here x square has a maximum power of 2. So degree of this expression is 2. So on the basis of degree, the first one is linear polynomial. Here linear represents 1. That means a polynomial having degree 1 is termed as linear polynomial. Like x degree equals to 1. The second one is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic represents 2. That means ki degree of polynomial is equals to 2. The third one is cubic polynomial. Here cubic represents 3. This means degree is equals to 3. For example, x square plus 2. Here degree of x is 2. So we can say that it is a quadratic polynomial having a degree 2. Now let us take an example of cubic polynomial. X cube plus xy plus 2. Here the maximum power of this expression is 3. That is, it is a cubic polynomial. The fourth one is quadratic or biquadratic. Quadratic or biquadratic represents 4. Polynomial. Here degree is equals to 4. For example, x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 2. Here we see that the maximum power of x is 4. So we can say that this expression is a quadratic or biquadratic polynomial. Now let us discuss on the basis of number of terms. On the basis of number of terms, we have several types of polynomial. The first one is monomial. Here the prefix mono represents 1 and nomial represents terms, as we discussed earlier. So we can say that a polynomial having only one term is termed as monomial. For example, 2x, y, z, etc. The second one is binomial. Here the prefix bi represents 2 and nomial means same as term. So we can say that binomial is an expression having only 2 terms. For example, 2x plus 3. The third one is trinomial. Here tri represents 3 and nomial as the same. So for example, we can write x plus y plus z, 1, 2 and 3. Here this is 3 terms, so it is termed as the trinomial. The fourth one is quadrinomial. Here the word quad represents 4 and the nomial means terms. So we can say that a polynomial having 4 terms is termed as a quadrinomial. For example, 2x square plus 5x plus y and plus z.